Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So I promised you this would be up on Saturday, so better late than never, right? I'm here with the ad preview for Kroger for the sale that will run from March 6th through March the 12th. We are getting a new 5x digital event, and this is pretty pathetic in comparison to the sale we have now. We have a really good mega event currently going on that you should check out. I have the links to the videos I've done about our mega event in the description box below. There are tons of deals on that. But, you know, we could go in the store on Wednesday and I could find a lot of stuff. So come back Wednesday. I'll have 2 videos up all about this sale. I'll have one with all the digital coupons. And then the other one will be just the best deals that I found in the store. So, yeah, come back on Wednesday for that. So let's just dive right in. $4.88 for a 5-pound box of mandarins. That's a good one. They're having a 4-day digital sale on seafood. No one's going to beat the door down for that probably, but there you go. That's pretty good for the salmon, I think. 3 for $5 for blueberries. $1.77 a pound for the Heritage Farm boneless chicken breast. $3.99 for Oscar Mayer bacon. And then we have buy one get one free boneless chuck roast or pork chops. Here I'm just going to scan over. That's a really good one for the Starkist tuna. They're going to be 50 cents. That's a great deal. And the Kroger beans, there is a 10-cent digital coupon. Some various paper products. Just going to always scan over it. I'm not going to read everything because, like I said, that would take forever. But we're going to first go into the 5X digitals. As I've said many times, I appreciate all of you, but I'm really asking that no one come on here and say, well, the website says this and all that. I went to corporate, I went to my store, and many of you have gone to your stores. They've confirmed this. These 5X digitals ring in the computer as a store coupon, and you can use a manufacturer's coupon with it. So no, I'm not doing anything wrong by telling you to do this. This was confirmed by Kroger corporate headquarters. If your store doesn't do it, all I can tell you is go to corporate, get it in writing in an email, and take that back to your store. That is what, you know, that's my best option for you. So hopefully that makes sense. Now, in all honesty, I don't really see a whole lot of coupon matchups here, but if you have a coupon, you can use a manufacturer's coupon with it. So I was going to scan the ad. You can click pause if you want to read anything specifically. I'll point out anything I think's good. That's not bad for the coffee. This is really good. 99 cents for the oatmeal or peanut butter. That's phenomenal. And then $2.49 for the Kroger cheese is phenomenal. Wish they'd give us that Tide again when it was $2.99. Does anyone remember that? They had a 5X digital that made it $2.99, and we had $3 manufacturer coupons. We hit that up hard. That was a really good deal. That probably will never come back again. We were getting like the scent beads and oh my gosh, the Tide, the scent beads, the pods. That was just wonderful. Okay, there's another page of 5X digitals. There's a lot on the 5X digitals. That's a great deal for 2 liters. 3 for $2. That's phenomenal pricing for those. It's pretty good for the silk. 99 cents is a good deal for the Kool-Aid drinks. And then there's 99 cents for palm olive. That is not bad. The Swiffer, we do have a $2 manufacturer's coupon. Here, the Arm & Hammer and Tide, $1.99. I don't think we have any coupons right now. Maybe. I'd have to check in the insert database, but that could be a good deal. So those are really big bottles of Arm & Hammer. They're like 50 loads, which is twice the size of the ones we were getting at like Walgreens and Rite Aid. So that's, honestly, $1.99 is a great deal. Like I said, I'll go in on Wednesday and do matchups. Okay, so now let's talk about what's inside this ad. If I can... It's hard. I'm filming different today than usual because this way's a lot quicker. No, so yeah, that's why it's a little bit different. Might be a little shaky. I'm sorry. Just really wanted to get this out to you all. It's been a pretty busy day with some family from out of town visiting, and also over the last few days in the midst of school and everything, I've been trying to get our family photos like reorganized, and we have pictures from like the last, I think we stopped officially printing them like in 2007. So I'm trying to get all of those, we're trying to get them all printed and put back into albums again, because it's just nothing like looking through a picture album. So I've been working on that, and then also we're trying to reorganize all of our old pictures from prior to 2006, because a lot of them are just like thrown in boxes because we just ran out of time to deal with them. So that's been what's been going on. So that's why there's not been a lot of videos, because I really have been focused on that, because we have so many. Like, as of right now, I'm just up to 2013, I believe, and I already have over 600 pictures to print. So I'm trying to get it done quick so I can work on it over my spring break, because I have to do mail order through Snapfish, and it takes a little bit to get here. So I'm trying to get those ASAP so I can work on that in a few weeks. And they're doing a baby promo, spend 40, save 10, which could be a good deal. However, this is after any coupons have been applied. I know a lot of people still tell you to do it. Even big blogs, I've noticed, have said to do this after or before coupons. That's not how it works. It clearly says after, so keep that in mind. Here's some meat and produce. And guess what is back? The big question. Free Friday. And a really nice person actually sent me a DM on Instagram, and they told me that Kroger's site has this listed, and the Free Fridays are bi-weekly for the month of March. So I'm thinking Kroger's doing a new trend where it's bi-weekly. That's okay. It's a free Hershey's milk chocolate with Reese's Pieces candy bar. So bi-weekly is better than nothing. So yeah, that's all I have for this Kroger ad preview. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you think, and thank you so much for watching.